How to connect Trust Wallet to Treasure NFT Marketplace. I'm going to tell you how to connect Trust Wallet to Treasure NFT Marketplace. First, make sure your Trust Wallet is set up and has some Ether on Arbitrum since Treasure operates on that network. Open your Trust Wallet and tap the browser icon. If you're on iOS and don't see it, go to Safari and type in trust colon double backslash browser underscore enable to activate it. Once inside the D app browser, search for Treasure Marketplace or go directly to market.treasure.lol. When the site loads up, tap Connect Wallet, choose Wallet Connect, then select Trust Wallet. A pop-up will appear in your Trust Wallet asking for permission. Tap Connect. After that, make sure the network is set to Arbitrum. If it isn't, the site may prompt you to switch. Once connected, you'll see your wallet address at the top. Now you can browse, buy, or list NFTs for collections like Small Brains and Tales of Illyria.